Page 256. This is number 1 at the top of the page. This page and the next we get some reading things to do, things to practice our reading. Reading music is a skill. Like any skill, the more you practice it, the better you get at it. That's all. See if you can sight read them. Sight read one hand at a time if you need to, and then see if you can put them together. As far as the lessons go, I'm just going to go through the routine for learning a piece of music. I look it over. It's 2 lines long. Treble, bass, clef, 2 sharps in the key signature, so it's either in the key of D major or B minor. So make sure you can do the scales on our pages for both. Okay. The last measure is here. It's D major chord. I'm guessing we're in D major. 4/4 time signature. Right hand, it's here. Notice the fingering. We're in this. We're not in this position. We're in this position. 1 and 2 and the second finger. 1 and 2. Okay, so I get the melody okay, and then the chords. It's Alberti bass. It's a 1 chord. And here. And here. Good. I get those. And you want to know what the chords are. It's just, what are they? Well, it's a 1 chord or a D chord. And then here. So what is that? Well, it's this chord in D major. That's a 6 chord here. And then here in D major, that's a 2 chord. And then here, this 5/7 chord. You're getting them all over here. Okay. And if you kind of look at, because we've been making up melodies, if you look at this melody, what they're doing here, these are just notes in the chords here. And that F sharp is a passing note. It just goes from here to here. And here, the notes in the chord, the F sharp is a passing note. Here, the E is a passing note. That's all the melody is doing. And once I do that, no hesitations, then I add the articulation. This is very connected. I'm lifting up for the phrasing in the right hand. I'm connecting the left hand all the way through. So in the right hand are 2 major phrases. Lift up. You have to lift up. It's a repeated note, but it doesn't matter. It's still lift up, like taking a breath. But the left hand is connected. Second measure. Lifting up here, but not here. Hand, but not the left. So I'm lifting up in the right hand for the phrasing, but I'm connecting the left hand. Then the dynamics. Did I take out the hesitations? Yeah, go back and take out the, I forgot. Take out, okay. Dynamics, louds. And the second line, soft. Melody. Left hand's in the background. Yeah. And the second, soft. Left hand's very soft. Almost like an echo of it. Speed, well, about where I've been going, I think. See the melody, 1, 2. It's a nice melody, but the 8th notes in the left hand will slow it down a little bit. So, somewhere. Careful on the last measure. You're playing that soft. I want to hear that all the time. I'm doing that. Don't drown it out. You got to get really soft. Don't play this louder so you can hear it. Play this where you need it. And this soft. Don't use the soft pedal. That's cheating now. Now, if you're on a cheap electronic keyboard, little toy, whatever, they won't do the louds and softs very well. You just do the best you can. There's a note at the bottom of this to transpose this to C major, excuse me. So we're going from D major to C major. We're going down 1 note. So in the melody, everything just goes down 1. Instead of a D, you're on a here. Here, except you're in this position. It's all white keys now, C major. And make sure you got the melody. Chords. Again, we got, instead of a D, we're down here. And here. 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 All we did from here to here, with the top note went up. So that's all we're doing here. And then the here. Here. And here. Then you attempt to put it together. We're just here real slow. And then here. You get the idea. You transpose it out. Let's do this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythm as it's written. I'll give us 4 counts. The left hand might be a little quick, but hopefully you can handle it okay. I'm not doing the dynamics. We're just checking notes and rhythms. 1, 2, ready, and go, and 1.